Hello and welcome to my YouTube kitchen. Let's cook together. Today we are making pink perch fish fry. This is very versatile fish for it is good for frying, curry, grilling, steaming, and it cooks beautifully, and one more thing is it is very light on stomach. Then we will make okra fry. For this curry, I am keeping the masala very light, just shallots, garlic and ginger. We will peel them, chop them roughly and gently crush. So all the natural flavors are released and there is no heavy spices at all, just pure taste. And now for the okra fry, after washing, we'll just cut them into small pieces. This recipe is also very simple. There is no heavy masalas here, just the natural taste of okra shining through. We will add little oil to a pan and add a teaspoon or a tablespoon of crushed onion, little bit of crushed ginger, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, little salt. Just mix them all well together. Now we will add the finely chopped okra or bindi, lady's finger, to it. Cook them all well together without adding water. It will take just 2-3 minutes to cook. Lady's finger is rich in vitamin C and K, which boosts skin health. Also, it is good for diabetics. Also rich in fiber, helps digestion and keeps us full. It's good for blood sugar, you know, perfect for Weight Watchers. Tasty, simple okra fry is ready. For the pink perch fish curry, I've already marinated the fish in ginger, garlic paste, shallots paste, red chili powder, pepper, turmeric, and also a little bit of lemon and salt to it. Kept it for half an hour. Now we will do a quick shallow fry for the curry. Once the fish turns golden and slightly crispy, we will remove from the fire. To a mud pot, I've added around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, adding ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon each. Then I'm adding the crushed shallots to it and we will fry them for a while. The onions are fried well now. Into this we will add maybe 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. We will give it a quick stir and adding salt to it. Next goes in the tamarind extract. This will bring that nice tangy base for our curry. I am not adding tomato here. Now we add the fried fish into the tangy masala. Pour in a little water, just enough for the curry, and we will gently swirl the pot so the fish stays intact and absorbs all that flavor. To make this curry extra special, I am adding chunks of raw mango, about half of a big totapuri mango. This will add a natural tang and a very fresh flavor that blends beautifully with this fish. For the final flavor, final touch, I am adding a little bit of curry leaves and coconut oil. Everything is cooked well now, and our pink perch fry curry is ready. The fish has soaked up the flavors. The raw mango adds that perfect tang, and it's best enjoyed with hot plain rice. Simple, homely, and full of taste. Now for the fry, we will place the marinated fish on the tawa and cook until it turns golden and crisp on both sides. I have coated this fish with the ground masala, that is red chili powder, few shallots, garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, salt, and juice of one lemon. And I had set it aside for half an hour for all the masala to go deep inside the fish. This fish is firm flesh, mild taste, and as I mentioned, it is versatile for frying, curry, grilling, or steaming. And also, it cooks quickly and absorbs spices beautifully. We will make raw mango pickle, instant pickle. Honestly, while cutting itself, feel like popping a few pieces right away. Raw mango is not just tasty, it also helps in digestion. Then I'm adding gingerly oil to a cup and adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder, little salt and a pinch of heat. I'm just warming it for a few seconds and then I'm pouring this seasoning over the mango slices. Mix it gently and that's it. A quick and tasty pickle ready in minutes. So today's lunch plate is pink perch fry curry, tangy, light and comforting with raw mango pieces. Okra fry, simple, homely, no heavy masalas. Instant mango pickle, spicy, tangy and quick to make. Served with steamed rice, making it a wholesome, filling and satisfying meal. A perfect mix of flavors, spicy, tangy and homely comfort. Oh, forgot about the fish fry. Golden crispy pink perch fish fry. Enjoy this simple homely meal. Thank you for watching.